Hi guys, it's Anne Marie. I just wanted to fill you in on the types of projects Marie and I work on with our clients during virtual organizing sessions. Some are project-based, from drawers to closets to full rooms. We'll talk about your goals and vision for the space and establish a plan for how to approach it. We can also be present virtually while you actually tackle it, guiding you along the way and supporting you when you get stuck. If you're purging through your things and are having a hard time making decisions about what stays and what goes, which can be so stressful, we can be a compassionate and unbiased source of support. Other sessions are more focused on learning. For example, we can talk to you about paper management and how to tackle everything from incoming mail to setting up a simple and manageable filing system. We'll guide you on what supplies to purchase or repurpose, as well as teach you the what, how, and why behind how to maintain your new system. When quarantine first started, you may have been overwhelmed and not able to even think about organizing. You may have thought we wouldn't be quarantined this long, and you prefer to work with people in person. Or you may not have felt tech savvy enough. Believe me, we understand. Marie and I want you to know that we love working with our clients in person too. And we're grateful that technology is allowing us to stay connected and to support those who need it. Needing support has nothing to do with ability or intelligence. As humans, we use the word should a lot. I should be able to handle this myself. I should be more organized. Forget all of that. We can't tell you how many of our clients tell us they simply focus more and better when we're with them. It's just that simple. If you could use some support with purging, decluttering, time management, paper management, or just getting all the to-dos in your head sorted out, DM us or click the link in our bio for more information on virtual organizing. Or call us and let's just talk. We create an environment that is fun, motivating, and absolutely 100% judgment-free. In the meanwhile, if you haven't already, please click follow and subscribe to our mailing list at www.organizemeny.com. Stay safe and have an amazing day.